Karnataka's human chain for International Day of Democracy, a powerful symbol of unity. Welcome to our channel. In this video, experience the awe-inspiring human chain that stretched along Mysuru Road, Karnataka, marking the International Day of Democracy. This remarkable event showcased the collective commitment of thousands of individuals to democratic values and human rights. Event details, date 15th September 2024. Location, Mysuru Road, Karnataka. The human chain was organized to celebrate the International Day of Democracy, emphasizing the importance of democratic principles and active civic engagement. Witnessing such a grand display of solidarity reminds us of the strength and unity within our communities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating stories and updates from Karnataka. Tap the notification bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.